painting 2 seconds ago before I put this painting. I didn't know what I was going to paint, and then it was literally like this. This is what happened just now. I put it down and I thought, don't know what I'm painting. Bam, I know what I'm painting. I know exactly what I'm going to paint. It's going to be brown and it's going to be fruit again. But maybe I should make it interesting, like old, wrinkly, wrinkly, off-colored, off-fruit. Yeah. Actually, before I settle on that idea, I think I should look at some historic paintings. And also my list of paintings that I've already started in my head. I don't know about chocolate. Maybe I should do chocolate. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, what's crossing my mind is this shape and the color of the canvas is reminding me of both on a scale of motivation and talent and cello, and I would like to merge the two paintings, but I would still like the chocolate, so I should do a black hole. I need to do consumable music. For some reason I want to, no, don't do it, don't. Okay, I'm doing it this way now. What am I even painting? I'm gonna do these as bite marks. If you guys saw the video on, see how like, if I paint over it, the paint moves? When I stretch my own canvases, they don't do that. This is what I mean, like the paint stays where I put it. Look at it, it stays where I put it. I can paint over it, it stays. That's why you don't buy a store-bought canvas. You know, like when you see a pear and it's not that great? That's what I'm trying to get. In an artwork I painted last week, I looked at Caravaggio's Medusa. I'm gonna put like a dead hand here. So a little while ago I saw this video on the Victorian era, I don't know, somewhere in England. And when music became playable on like vinyl and stuff, musicians kind of died. So that's this painting, and I'm thinking, because this is why I'm so against Prince, fucking hate Prince. Anyway, so I don't think this is a good spot. I think I'm gonna have the dead hand like here, because it's like you've chopped off the arm of the musicians, making music so disposable. This is so gross to look up. I think I've got the gist of it. They look like aliens. Okay, so since I fucked this area up, I might as well put I'm making this rotten. Like, this is not going to be a perfect pair. Where did Bon Jovi go? Christmas. Absolutely. Incredibly vibrant and off grapes.
Thank God for that. And we are leading up to Christmas.
I tried looking at my own hand, but this will probably be a dude hand. I'm just coloring, and I had an idea for a painting that I've already started. Chocolate, but then I was thinking about music, I guess maybe because there's music playing, I don't know why. But then I was like, music seems to be as disposable as chocolate. And it fits in with the idea, so I'm putting it in. I also enjoy painting it, like I really enjoy painting chocolate. Yeah, this is the window. Should that be the window? No, fuck it, that's the window. So the color underneath here, this greeny, I'm pretty sure that's this green and white. So there's white in that mixture, so I'm trying to blend it without mixing it. Like blend, but not mix it. You know, I'm not trying to squish the icing into the cake. So I'm looking at a picture of a cello, And it's got like screenshot. Anyway, so I don't know. I didn't realize that it's meant to be raised here, so that's main reason I thought I shouldn't rush it last night. Should I just continue the stem further or put age spots? Oh shit, that's in the way. Absolutely no one in the world is gonna notice this, but I made like the smallest shadow ever. I see it. YOLO, that was so unplanned. Curl it. Dead leaf. I think I got the hand right now. Like, it looks a bit awkward, but that's the point because it's cut off. So I thought I put way too much paint on. Kind of did. But now I'm working with negative space and it's kind of working really well for the shading. Fuck yeah. I don't even know how to paint hands, but I did it. That's a hand. I love it. I love it. If you enjoyed watching this, show your appreciation somehow. Like, subscribe to my 30 subscribers. Thanks for checking this out.